Oh boy, that is an ugly wall. If you want to know how to take a wall from this garbage to level 5 drywall finish with minimal skill, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned. Welcome to the bathroom of the past. Tile everywhere, not great. Fortunately, with a little bit of elbow grease, you can get that tile off of there and expose this. There I am, and I'm getting ready to remove as much of that debris from that wall as I can with my Mirka. It's an automatic sander with a 40 grit sandpaper face on it, trying to remove as much of that crap as I can before I make a really soupy batch of Durabond 90. It's a hard setting compound that's great for adhering to plaster, cement, and surfaces that aren't exactly ideal for drywall compound. It also sets up nice and firm, and when I pair it with this, nope, it's not a spider web, it's a large sheet of Fibafuse, which is essentially just a paper-thin sheet of fiberglass reinforcement that you can add to your compound to make the wall extra strong and ready to skim coat with a finer aggregate compound. So once I have that in place, I will cut it to size and then I will sandwich it with another layer of that soupy Durabond 90 to create an impenetrable shield of glassy drywall-like perfection.
Here you are doing it again.
Here I am doing it again. Thanks for that. So just to reiterate, to make it extra simple, remove the debris, thin coat of Durabond 90, sheet of Fibafuse, sandwich that with some more 90, smooth it down. Now you're ready for your drywall-like applications, which in this case meant corner bead. And you know us, you know we use vinyl. So this is a Trim-tex bead that we use to recreate a perfect 90-degree corner that's both durable and perfect, if we do say so ourselves. Once that's mud-locked into the wall, you're ready to do another part of this renovation.
This is my part. So what I did here was I tiled this other wall, and I wanted to include it in this video because, you know, I didn't want you to think, where did that tile come from? But
okay, you're gone. So the first thing I'll do is I'll remove any high points of that Durabond Fibafuse concoction that I made, and then I'll come back with a large skimming blade and some regular all-purpose compound. It's smoother and better for skim coats. And once that sets up, we'll tint some mud and come back and try to fill any imperfections that we missed on the first coat. We tint the mud yellow so that it's easy to see and we don't miss when we're sanding it down. After that, it's the usual. Prime coat, top coat.
There's my tile.
There's Dan's tile again. Prime coat, top coat, stand back, admire your handiwork.
I can't believe that's the same wall.
It's hard to believe, but not for us because it took a long time and we did it.
You actually didn't want to do it that way. You wanted to coat it with drywall. I said, nope, let's try it like this.
There's many ways to skin a cat. That's gross, but there's many ways to fix a wall, and this is one of them.
What was that about cats? I didn't like that.